Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. Today I'll be sharing a very easy Aviyal recipe which we enjoyed on the occasion of Onam. Since I continued the vlog throughout the dinner to breakfast, so I thought of sharing a simple oatmeal bowl recipe. I hope you enjoy today's vlog. If you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to be notified for any future uploads. So let's get started with the Aviyal recipe. As you can see, I have washed and cut the vegetables. This is like everything what I had that day in my fridge, so I have cut them in lengthwise. You can take any vegetables you like. I have taken flat beans, zucchini, cucumber, potato and carrots. Also taken a cup of freshly grated coconut plus some green chili. Now everything goes into the pressure cooker. So this is what makes the recipe very easy and quick. You can also cook them, steam them in a pot, but I was in a hurry and this is a very easy way to make it. So I'm adding a bit of turmeric and salt and a little bit of water. Just enough to get the vegetables cooked thoroughly. Also keep a note that we have added cucumbers and zucchini which also release water. So we'll cook it till one whistle. I think one whistle is enough. As the vegetables are getting cooked, let's prepare the masala. The masala is nothing but the desiccated coconut plus some cumin seeds, around 1 teaspoon, 2 green chilies and 2 heaped tablespoons of curd. In case you don't have fresh coconut, you can also use the dried desiccated coconut which you get easily in the market, but of course fresh one is always better. Make a smooth paste using a bit of water. I have added 2 tablespoons of water first. The coconut paste is done and the vegetables are getting cooked, so I just thought of refilling my spice box. So I make spices in bulk, like the spices I use mostly are cumin powder and coriander powder and some of the spice blends. Those I like to prepare at home and I keep them in refrigerator in airtight containers. So our veggies are properly cooked and it's time to add the coconut paste. Also adding half a cup of warm water and let the curry boil. Once it starts boiling, just simmer it for a while. Now let's prepare the tadka. So I have taken some mustard oil, a little bit of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, a green chili and 1 dried chili, and 5 to 6 curry leaves. I am here using mustard oil, but if you have coconut oil, definitely use it. It will enhance the taste of the curry. It's originally made in coconut oil. So once your tadka is ready, just mix it with the curry and give it some resting time. Cover it and let it sit for a while, a minute or so. So our aviyal is ready. Just enjoy with steamed rice. It's such an easy recipe, healthy recipe of course, and the taste is mind-blowing. Must try. So try करके ज़रूर बताना कैसा लगा. If you like the recipe, share it with me in Instagram. My Instagram handle is BeingDeb official. So continuing the vlog, next day I am preparing a very easy oatmeal bowl recipe. It's a simple oatmeal. Like I make the base and I like to top it with different toppings based on the ingredients I have in hand, and this is one of my favorite combinations that I'm gonna show you today. So कोई rocket science नहीं है, just oatmeal को उबालना है. So the measurement that I take every time is 1/3 cup per person. So here I've taken 2/3 oatmeal, 2/3 of milk and 2/3 of warm water. Just boil it. You can also cover it and simmer to boil, but I'm just boiling it like this. Just continuously stir with wooden spoon. It's better with the wooden spoon so that you can have a mushy texture. I'm using honey here. You can also use jaggery or stevia, whatever you like, to sweeten your oatmeal. So it's almost done. I like it like this consistency. It's a bit runny, but it thickens eventually. Now topping it with some of my favorite ingredients like banana, fresh berries, and I've also warmed up some peanut butter. Some desiccated coconut and some cinnamon. So all these are totally optional. I'm just giving you an idea like how you can make it look exotic, but it's really not. But it tastes exotic for sure. So give it a try. Plus minus whatever toppings you like or you may not like. So I keep posting this oatmeal bowl recipes or the pictures on my Instagram handle. So this is one of them. Give it a try. In the meantime, हमारा चाय भी ready है. So on that note, I'll be ending the video. Do let me know in the comment section how you make aviyal, or if you make it in a different way. So once again, happy Onam to those who celebrate. Hope you had a nice, good time. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So press the bell icon to be notified for my future uploads. Until next time, bye bye.